So we got the Bronco here. You know, back when we had the cold weather and the wind, the idle was normal. And now that it's warmed up, now it's idling high again at startup. So I'm thinking maybe it's the mass airflow sensor, right? It's not registering something correctly. Or is it just coincidence? So yeah, so it's starting up weird again. So I'm thinking maybe it is. I checked the prices on those things. They're about $120. So shoot, another $120. I just got $120 yesterday. I finally sold the tires for the Colorado, the factory tires. I was hoping to get more money for them, but man, I've had them for what, over a year now. Got people calling me, bought them, or texting me messages in Spanish. I put them on Facebook Marketplace. I go, hey man, no speaky Spanish, right? Finally, a guy yesterday drove all the way from San Fernando for him. Same situation though. I told him, dude, no speak English, no speaky Spanish, right? So I guess he got somebody to translate for him, and yeah, he finally came down. Hey, take them, dude. Want them out of here. So if I buy the mass airflow sensor, well, there goes the money for that, right? I got some extra parts laying around for this truck. I got these rock sliders here I had planned on installing. So like, yeah, in case you didn't know, 2016, I just had this painted. I just put these tires and wheels on here. I had made the front bumper. I had a rear bumper for this thing. I had my lights all fixed up and ready to go, and I rolled it over on its side, and it was like, oh man. Yeah, and I bought these rock sliders here. These are from Chassis Unlimited. It's like a universal rock slider kit. Whoops, there goes a piece of it. This is only half the kit. It's been sitting in the back of the house there because you know, after I rolled the truck over, I didn't know what I was going to do. So I'm just like, I go, hey, I got to do something with those. Either I can sell them or put them on this truck. After all. Now, if I remember right, I ordered these by the length. And then it comes with cut pieces to attach to the frame. And just some regular plate. Looks like maybe 1/4-inch plate. Holes are drilled already on them, so you got 4 of these and 4 plates. Tubes are notched, got to weld them up, and then apparently cut them to size, right? So that's not exactly where I'm going to put it. I'm just checking them out. I think I did this when I first got them. But you know, you don't want them to stick out a little bit, but you don't want them to stick out a lot. I'd probably put them even with the tires. I'd probably kick them in about 1.5 inches, if you know what I mean. And they got to go up a little bit, a little tighter to the frame. So now the issue is attaching them to the frame. I think I just might give them away with the truck. Or if somebody wants to make me an offer on them, I mean, the kit's here. I forget what I paid for them, but and then you can do all the figuring and cutting and fabbing and all that, right? I think I'm gonna put the truck on eBay for like $6,500. Okay, asking price. We'll just go from there. You know, $6,000. Why not? If you got money, why not? What's $6,000, right? Compared to a new truck. So if you got to ask how much, you can't afford it, right? But yeah, we'll just go from there. You know, if I can sell it for that, great. I'd be much appreciated. If not, well, we'll just take what we can get. I got some other plans, but I'm gonna need some more money. We'll get into something else.